All right, folks. So I am here building or putting together the quick release / mounting the splitter to the car. Decided I'm gonna mount. Oh my! I threw my back out today, so you're gonna hear a whole bunch of groans. Decided I'm gonna mount to the bottom of this here, the subframe here, or the chassis there, and then I'll show you the one of these brackets is going to be in its position, but it's going to be here holding part of it. I'll show you over here in the garage. Oh. All right, so here in the garage, I just did my first weld ever. Well, yes, and it's ugly. However, it is what it is. I got to do some research on the current, what the current needs to be. Anyway, so is this still hot? Yes, it is. All right, so this is the plan here. Please do not pay attention to the welds because they are atrocious. So I welded this to this, as you can see, like so. So this is going to be mounted to the chassis, this part here. I'm probably going to cut off this tab, the back tab. We'll see. But so this part here is going to be mounted to the splitter, and this will be mounted to the chassis, like I said. So I should be maybe at 2 inches or 2 inches maybe lower than the mounting port. So altogether probably 3 inches from the chassis. And so I think that'll give me my 10 or 15 degree like angle there. So anyway, I'm going to weld the other piece, and I'm going to record as I do so. So bear with me. Ay, ay, ay. All right, so here's the idea. This is the idea. Oh God, I can't. I'm uncomfortable in any position. Okay, the idea is that L is gonna mount to what you see here, this chassis, and then this will be mounted like that. I'm gonna drill maybe 3 holes to make it really sturdy, and then the same will be on this side. And so then the cables will connect right there and right there, and then I think I'm gonna mount the motor maybe up and behind right here. I don't know, we'll see.